August 14th, 2024. Just came home from work. I never seen nobody, and I was home for about 20 minutes then. I seen this bird drop down, so yeah, that's number 33. Beautiful check. Green band, so let's see. See if he'll just go right in. Right in. Okay, so now we back up to 33. Awesome. Awesome, so right like that. Green band. Beautiful bird. Looks like number, that's a long band number. But yeah, awesome, that's him. He's back. So the dark lofts, number 33 is back. Back to 33, baby. The dark lofts, Big Island of Hawaii. Oh yeah, boom.